If you take a bamboo seed and water it, nothing happens. Even if you water it for 1, 2, 3, 4 years, nothing happens. Most people give up.
Bamboo seed is dead. Move on.
But guess what? In the 5th year, boom, the bamboo seed shoots up 24 meters in 6 weeks, all at once. And here is the secret. It was always growing, but it was growing roots underground that you can't see. Life works the same way. Your startup, relationship, money, social media followers, they don't grow in a straight line. Sometimes it feels like nothing happens for years. But remember, you are building roots. So no matter what, keep watering. Your bamboo moment is about to come. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.